Looking for a warm, comforting dessert that's easy to make? Try these delicious baked apples. They're soft, naturally sweet, and filled with a cozy cinnamon flavor. For this recipe, you'll need 4 medium apples, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts, 1 tablespoon of raisins, 1 tablespoon of butter, and about half a cup of water. Start by washing the apples well. Carefully remove the core from each apple, but don't cut all the way through the bottom. This creates a little pocket for our delicious filling. In a small bowl, mix together the brown sugar, cinnamon, chopped walnuts, and raisins. This simple mixture gives the apples a wonderful sweet and nutty flavor. Place the apples in a baking dish. Fill the center of each apple with the cinnamon mixture. Then, place a small piece of butter on top of each one. Pour half a cup of water into the bottom of the baking dish. The water helps create moisture while the apples bake, keeping them tender and juicy. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the apples for about 35 to 45 minutes until they become soft and beautifully golden. Once baked, let them cool for a few minutes. Serve them warm on their own, or add a spoonful of yogurt, whipped cream, or vanilla ice cream for an extra special treat. And that's it. Soft, sweet, cinnamon-baked apples, made with simple ingredients. Perfect for a cozy dessert any day of the week.